Hello, this is Owen at 38 Degrees, TED Digital Showers here in Lancashire at our test facility. Just going to run you through the procedure, the startup program or reset procedure for the Cuba digital shower system. So here we've got the Cuba control panel. It's in the off condition, which is a red ring showing. And if you press and hold that, and the water starts to pulsate. So this needs to be carried out before you can use the shower for the first time, so after installation is complete. So this is learning about the hot and the cold water feeds you've got to the processor box. So it's currently taking hot water through, nice and steamy. So just to remind you, it was a continuous press on the power button. So while this program is being run, the whole display sort of pulsates and glows just to show you that it's going through a startup process. So now it's just taking cold water and it's just switching on. It alternates between hot and cold. So it's coming through pure hot at the moment, so please don't get underneath the shower while this program's running. This is pure cold again. Looks like pure hot again. Pure cold again. Pure hot again. And that's it, finished. We've got the steady indicator on the display.